Yo, I want to show you another box plot generator I just found that I think is pretty nice. So StackKey is great because it's easy to use. You edit, paste your data in, right? And then you get a dot plot if you want, or a histogram that you can configure down here, or a box plot. Quick, right? Downside of the histogram is it doesn't have labels. Downside of the box plot is it's kind of tall for copying and pasting. Spreadsheets don't make good box plots. They suck. You can only make them vertical and they don't have the median. So here I have a pretty nice looking one, kind of like StackKey, but a little cuter. So I want to show you where I got that. So to get that right there, I had to copy my data. So starting at the top, go to the bottom, copy it. And then it's called, I think, statistics applet. So I'm going to search for stats applet, and it's this one, ST applets. And I'll put this in the video description too. Kind of like StatKey, it's got a bunch of different things you can do here, and I want one quantitative variable with a single group. And then here, once I've copied my data, I can just paste it in this data part. And oops, the height, it only handles numbers. So where I have height in inches, that's got to go. So I'm going to cut that out, stick it up here in the title. And this is raw data, right? It's just a list of numbers. That's raw data. And then just select begin analysis. Like StatKey, it makes a dot plot. You could switch that to a histogram. Kind of cool. You have a little control over the width. And then here, there's some summary statistics like StatKey. It's a pretty one there. But what I really like here is the box plot. Now, there is the option to show the box plot with the histogram, which is wicked awesome. And these titles are okay, right? Height in inches versus frequency. Rather than frequency, I'd rather it say like number of people, but that's okay. Spreadsheet, right? That gives me the ability to make nicer titles. So StatKey is nice because it's quick and easy. Spreadsheet's nice because it's more configurable. This is nice because it makes great box plots. So what I really want here is just the box plot. And then I can do a screenshot of that and then crop it down and use it. I just had an idea though. I wonder if I can right click on this. Does it recognize it as an image? I think it's not a regular image. It's probably an SVG. Let's see, I should have checked this ahead of time, but let's explore. It is an SVG image, so it's not easily copy and pastable. So then you'll have to, like, if you're a Windows user, use your snipping tool or snip and sketch. If you're a Mac user, I think it's like Control or Command Alt, no, Command Shift 4 on a Mac, I think. I have a weird computer here. I have to use my screenshot tool, right? So whatever screenshot tool you have, you can just grab a shot of that and then save it or copy it and then paste it into, ooh, what did I just do? And then paste it into your spreadsheet and then position it. So like here, it's not the same size. Notice the scale is a little different. It's close. So I'm going to line up the 50 and then resize to line up the 80. That's pretty good. All right. And then drop it down so the 80 and the 50 line up. Looks pretty good. Nice. So again, I'll put the link to this in the description of the video, but it is the stapplet.com. And I was using the one quantitative variable for a nice box plot. Thanks. Have fun. Do good math. Adios.